I'm going to quickly show you one of the most simple and useful examples of how you can use Codex if you're not a programmer. So here I'm just going to tell it to move all of the images from my desktop into the desktop images folder right here. So what it's going to do behind the scenes is it's going to write some code, and I can show you all the code it's writing here, but it's going to write some code and then it's just going to move them straight in there. Should just take a few seconds. Cool, it's done. The next thing I'm going to do is I have this downloads folder and I just have tons of junk here. So I'm going to just have it organize it. And I'm being really vague here, I'm just saying organize it, so, you know, I expect it to maybe create some more folders, maybe put it into existing folders, I don't really know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, you can see there's a bunch of stuff here. It's thinking, it's planning, it's writing a bunch of code. Wrote a huge Python script. It hit an error, I guess. And there we go. Downloads folder's clean.